Most corporate headshots fail for the same 5 reasons. The good news? Every one of them is fixable before you ever step in front of my camera. As a full-time headshot photographer for over 10 years, I've shot thousands of corporate headshots for law firms, medical practices, finance teams, you name it. After a while, you see the same mistakes over and over. So let's fix them. Stick around for number 4 because it's the one almost nobody thinks about. Mistake number 1, treating it like a chore. The first mistake is walking in cold. Your headshot is the first thing people see on LinkedIn, your company website, a conference program. It's not vanity, it's a business decision. And when you treat the session like a quick errand, it shows. The fix is simple. Give it 10 minutes of thought beforehand. What you're going to wear, how you're going to want to come across. Confident and approachable. That's the goal. Oh, and a quick favor before we keep going. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. I try to put out headshot tips like these every few weeks. And if you want my full system, I've got a digital course called the Headshot Maximizer, and the link's in the description below. Mistake number 2, dressing for the wrong room. Number 2 is wardrobe. Bright patterns, bright logos, a shirt that fit 2 sizes ago, they all pull attention away from you. And here's the thing, you are the product, not the clothes. The fix is to keep it simple and solid. Darker tones, a good fit, a collar that actually sits right. A 10-year-old suit will date that photo instantly. People notice. Mistake number 3, chasing younger instead of you. The third mistake is asking me to take 20 years off. I get it, but that's not the goal. Gray hair and a few lines are a badge of honor. They read as experience, and experience is what people are buying. My job isn't to make you look like someone else or you 25 years ago. It's to make you look like you on your best day. Over retouching is not the way to build trust. And mistake number 4, inconsistency across the team. Here's the one that nobody thinks about. You've got a great headshot, but it's on a gray background. And the rest of your team is on white, shot 3 years ago by 3 different photographers. On the website, that looks sloppy. A team should look like a team. And the fix is consistency. Same background, same lighting, same style. When you add a new hire next quarter, they match. That's the whole reason I keep your setup on file. And the last one, waiting till your photo is embarrassingly out of date. If your headshot is more than a couple years old, or it doesn't look like you when you walk into a meeting, it's working against you. People notice the mismatch. They tell me all the time. And the fix is easy. Treat it like updating a resume. A quick refresh every couple of years keeps you current. Fix those 5 and you're already ahead of almost everyone. If you want your team headshots done right, consistent, professional, and painless, that's exactly what I do here out of my Troy studio. And there's a link in the description to learn more. And if you'd like to learn more from me directly, you can always book a consulting call. There's a link for that too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.